Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft 365 for domain verification and SPF step by step clearly. Log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the Setup section on the left sidebar. Select Domains from the Setup options. Click on Add Domain to begin the verification process. Enter the domain name you wish to verify and click Next. Choose your verification method, typically using a TXT record. Copy the TXT value provided by Microsoft. Open your domain registrar's website in a new tab. Log into your registrar account. Find the DNS Management or DNS Settings section. Locate the option to add a new record. Select TXT as the record type. Paste the TXT value you copied from Microsoft into the TXT record field. Save the changes in your DNS settings. Return to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on Verify to confirm your domain ownership. Wait for a notification that the verification was successful. Next, move to Setting up SPF to prevent email spoofing. In the Domains section, select your verified domain. Click on DNS Settings to view existing records. Locate or create a new TXT record for SPF settings. If you don't have an existing SPF record, enter the following format: v equals SPF1 include spf.protection.outlook.com all. If you already have an SPF record, add the Outlook protection inclusion to the. For example, combine them as such: v equals SPF1, your existing mechanisms include spf.protection.outlook.com all. Save your updated SPF record in the DNS settings. Wait for DNS propagation, which may take up to 48 hours. Return to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center for confirmation. Monitor the email flow to ensure SPF is functioning correctly. Your domain is now verified and configured for SPF. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.